Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to day 3 of my Tahajjud journey. Alhamdulillah, today I woke up again at 4:20 a.m. for Tahajjud. This journey is teaching me that getting closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is all about consistency. Okay, even if it's just one small step every day. So let's begin day 3 of this journey together. So as usual, I directly started filming again in the evening. So in the evening, I went out with my sister and cousin brother. We had already stepped out when suddenly it started raining really heavily. And also I have captured the clip. We waited for around 15 to 20 minutes, and once the rain slowed down, the three of us went out on the scooty. So I just want to share something about Tahajjud. If you people want to start waking up for Tahajjud, don't pressure yourself to be perfect from day one. Okay, start with a small little goal. Sleep a little earlier, set an alarm, keep your phone away from your bed, and most importantly, make a sincere intention before sleeping. This is the main thing. You have to make a sincere attention before sleeping. Some days you may wake up easily, and some days you may miss it, but don't give up. Keep trying, because every effort you make to get closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is worth it. Okay, and again, this journey isn't about being perfect. It's about becoming a little closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala every single day. And also, Tahajjud may not change everything around you overnight, but it can slowly change something within you. Your peace, your patience, your mindset, especially your mindset, and most importantly, your connection with Allah. Here I have ordered grocery from Big Basket.
الصبح بدا من طلعته والليل دجى من وفراته فقر رسلا فضلا وعلا أهدى السبل لدلالتي الله 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 الصبح بدا من طلعته والليل دجى من وفراته
And that's it for day 3 of my Tahajjud journey. Alhamdulillah, another day of trying, learning, and getting a little closer to Allah. I hope this journey motivates you to take the first step too. See you in day 4, inshallah.